Hey everyone, I'm sure you've already seen this trend on TikTok, or maybe even on Instagram, where someone cuts planets in half like they're fruits. Well, this one video blew my mind. It got 63 million views, and there are dozens more with millions of views too. But what really impressed me was this one account. He started posting only 2 weeks ago, made just 19 videos, and already has 195,000 followers. That's wild growth, and it's all powered by AI. The creator uses Veo 3, yes, Google's video model, to generate all those cool cuts. He doesn't just do planets, he slices fruits, foods, anime objects, and more. It's a simple concept, but it's fresh and different. And when you add the power of Veo 3 and good pacing, boom, viral. Let's talk numbers for a second. That one TikTok video with 63 million views, it could have made anywhere between $25,200 to $63,000 thanks to the new Creator Rewards program. Here's how it works. TikTok pays you based on qualified views on videos longer than 1 minute. The RPM, revenue per 1,000 views, usually falls between 40 cents to $1. So 63M per 1,000 times 40 cents equals 25,200 is. 63M per 1,000, $1 equals 63,000. But remember, only qualified views count, views from the For You page, not bots or quick skips. So after seeing that, I thought, I need to try this too. I jumped into ChatGPT and together we created the perfect prompt for each planet, from Mercury to Neptune and of course the Sun. If you want the prompts, just comment prompt below and I'll share them with you. All right, let's start with our first planet, Mercury. I've already prepared the prompt using ChatGPT, so I'll just copy it and head over to Flow, the video creation platform by Google. Once I'm in, I scroll down to the model selection and choose Veo 3 Fast, text to video. This one is quick and perfect for testing ideas. I keep the output setting to just one video per prompt, and then I paste the Mercury prompt right into the box. It's important here to make sure text to video is selected, otherwise it won't generate the result we want. After that, I hit send and wait a few minutes while it works its magic. And now, the video is ready. Let's hit play, and wow, it looks incredible. The planet is fully sliced, the textures are sharp, and everything feels cinematic. Honestly, I didn't expect it to look this good right from the first try. If the result isn't exactly what you want, just ask ChatGPT to tweak the prompt or upgrade to Veo 3 quality. But remember that one costs 100 credits per video. Now let's move on to the next planet, Venus. And honestly, the process is exactly the same. I grab the Venus prompt, head back to Flow, and keep everything just like before. The model is still set to Veo 3 Fast, the output is still one video, and I make sure text to video is selected. I paste the new prompt in, hit send, and after a few minutes of rendering, boom, the Venus video is ready. And again, the result is just smooth, cinematic, and surprisingly realistic. I'm honestly loving how consistent this workflow is. Oh, and don't forget to choose Veo 3 before clicking send. Otherwise, Flow might default to Veo 2 and you'll get a video without audio and waste credits. Yes, I've made that mistake. So I'll continue rendering the rest of the planets behind the scenes. It's the same process, but if you have any questions, ask me in the comments. And if this video helped you, please like it and share it with friends or family. You never know. Maybe one of them will start making money with AI videos too. And hey, don't underestimate yourself. You don't need the perfect idea. Sometimes it's just about trying something that hasn't gone viral yet. Even with AI, it still takes creativity. But anyone can do this. Just take the time to think of something unique and bring it to life with the tools you have. Believe in yourself. No one knows how ideas go viral, so you could be next. So here's my final video montage, cutting every planet with Veo 3. Creating content with AI is easier than ever, but you've still got to think outside the box. And as we saw, one video like this could take 30 minutes to make and potentially earn tens of thousands of dollars. So go ahead, create a TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube account and start sharing. I'd love to see your videos. Drop them in the comments or share them on our Telegram or YouTube community tab. That's all for this video. If it helped you out, give it a like, comment, and share. It really helps me and the algorithm. And sorry I haven't posted in a while. I was sick, but I use the time to learn more about web app development. I'll be sharing cool stuff soon. Thanks again for your support, and I'll see you in the next one.